the number 17. And then let's put up our place value chart for the tens and ones. This is 10 beads. So we have 1, 10. Now here are 7 beads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 ones. 17 is 1, 10, and 7 ones. 17. This is the number 12. I have here 10 beads. Number 12, we have 1 10 bead and 2 ones. So we have 2 ones. Number 12 has 1 10 and 2 ones. These are 12 beads. This is the number 15. The number 15 has 1 10 bead and 5 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 15 has 1 10 and 5 ones. These are 15 beads. This is the number 18. 18 has 1 10 and 8 ones. Let's see that. Here's 1 10 and 18 beads. 8 beads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 10 and 8 ones. These are 18 beads. Let's answer our textbook on page 27. This is the number 13. 13 has 1 10 and 3 ones. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We have here blue 10 squares. That's 1 10. Now let's color 3 more squares red. So let's make this red. 1, 2, 3. This is 13. 1 10 and 3 ones. Let's try 18. 18 has 1 10 and 8 ones. We have here 10 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1 10. Now let's color 8 more circles red. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we have here 1 10 and 8 ones. 18. Now you may continue answering this page by coloring 10 shapes blue and more shapes red to make the correct number. For more educational videos, like this video, click subscribe and hit the bell icon.